Hi there, I hope you're doing really well. I'd like to take just a few moments and show you Optoma Management Suite, OMS. OMS is Optoma's display management solution. OMS comes in two forms, a local network-only version, which is PC software, and a cloud version, which is accessed through a web interface. The cloud version, OMS Cloud, is what I'd like to focus on today. It's certainly the more popular of the two options. Let me start by saying that both versions are provided free of charge. There's no cost associated with these solutions beyond the purchase of your Optoma equipment. OMS allows for monitoring, fault diagnosis, and control of Optoma displays from anywhere in the world via a single platform. OMS also allows for broadcast messaging, which is what I'd like to focus on today. Many schools, due to budget constraints, feel like they're being forced to make a choice between investing in security infrastructure or investing in classroom educational technology. I'd like to show you how Optoma Creative Touch Interactives, along with OMS, allow you to invest in both those needs in one solution. How it works. You log on to the website, oms.optoma.com, sign into your account. All your Optoma displays are paired to your account, and you can monitor, diagnose, and control all those displays through the website. Today I'm working with my Creative Touch interactive display, but OMS is also compatible with many of our video projectors as well. You have the ability to execute all the major control operations, power on, power off, select inputs, set volume levels, etc. Commands may be sent immediately or scheduled for a later time. A power off command, for example, could be scheduled to be sent to all devices at a particular time each day, ensuring that all systems are powered off for the night. Firmware updates can be managed, and you also have the ability to monitor both real time and look historically at any fault codes or trouble that crops up in your systems. Email alerts can also be programmed to be sent. So if, for example, a board drops off the network, your IT department can receive an email so that they can address the problem before a teacher or end user ever encounters any issue. Let's look at OMS's broadcast capabilities, which I mentioned are one of the key functions and what I'd really like to focus on. OMS is capable of sending three different types of broadcast messages. We can send text banners, image files, and also push YouTube videos to the panels. I'm going to demonstrate for you an example of each of these. I think you can see how these functions can be used to display benign announcements as well as more pressing emergency alerts. Because broadcast messages can also be scheduled to be displayed at a later time, OMS can essentially be used as a simple digital signage platform. If you'd like more information or to schedule a personal virtual demonstration of either our Creative Touch interactive solutions or OMS, please just get in touch directly or follow the link in the video description or the post. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.